Simple body detox method through the feet. Very often we live out hectic lives without paying proper attention to our bodies. Only when something gets wrong we realize that the health is the most precious thing that we have. The thing is that we constantly poison our bodies no matter how healthy we eat or how often we exercise. There are things out there that pollute our organisms on a regular basis. And if we do not do anything about it sooner or later, the inevitable will happen. Taking all that into consideration, we decided to share with you a couple of effective methods to get rid of poisonous toxins out of your body through your feet. All of them are pretty simple at the core, but the effect they have on our bodies is tremendous. Welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start. Number 1. Salt detox. You need to combine the equal amount of sea salt and Epsom salt, and then add 2 cups of baking soda to the mix, all together with some of your fab essential oil. Add boiling water to the mix and stir all well until the ingredients dissolve. After that, make a foot soak with the addition of the mixture. Soak your feet for at least half an hour. This foot soak will not only take all the toxins out, but will also soothe the irritation is any and will supply your body with magnesium. Number 2. Oxygen detox. Make a foot bath and add 2 cups of hydrogen peroxide and some dried ginger powder to the soak. Soak your feet in the mixture for about half an hour, and you will get rid of all the toxins altogether with allergies and irritations. Number 3. Clay detox. Make a foot soak bath with the addition of hot water, half a cup of Epsom salt, the same amount of bentonite clay, and some few drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix all well and soak your feet in the mixture for about 20 minutes. Use these easy methods to clean your body of toxins on a regular basis to stay healthy and happy. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family. And let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out our these cool videos. Goodbye.